Hey everyone and welcome to the club. Today I'm going to be showing you how to draw Bidoof from Pokemon. Now we're going to be drawing this character from a slight side angle. So let's move over to the left side of our page and start with the upper part of the mouth. So we start here, start with the center point. From this point I'm going to curve down and up towards the left. Now I'm going to go back to the center and do the same thing on the right. Curving down and then back up. Now let's tuck the teeth in underneath the mouth. Starting at the bottom curve right here on the left, come down and over towards the right. Now go to the right side, do the same curve. Now we're going to close off the bottom with a straight line. Now in between these 2 points, right here, we're going to curve up, aiming towards that center point, but we're not going to go all the way, we're going to go about halfway. Now we're going to draw a large oval for the muzzle in behind the teeth. Starting on the left side here, curve out, around towards the top. I'm going to make my way back over towards the right side. Coming around, and then back in. Now directly above the center of the mouth, we're going to go up and draw on the nose. So let's start with the top of the nose, with a slight curve. Now from the ends, we're going to curve down and in towards the middle. Now on either side of the muzzle, we're going to step up and draw 2 small ovals for the eyes. So we'll start on the left, and we'll line this up on the right side. And at the top of each eye, we're going to add a small circle for a highlight. Let's fill the bottom of the eyes in black. Now we're going to draw that trim around the eyes. So we're going to start on the inside edge of the left eye. We're going to step up. We're going to draw a curve that goes up and then back down, aiming towards the right eye. Go up and then down. Now we're going to curve around the eye and back in towards the muzzle. So we're going to go up, around, and just pull that in. We'll do the same thing on the right side. Let's draw in the top of the head. So from the left eye, we're going to step out, we're going to draw a curve, almost like a half circle, going up towards the top, round out the head. Now we're just going to pull that down on the right side. Now we're going to tuck the ears in behind the top of the head, directly above the left eye. Start up here, we're going to curve around, and pull that in towards the side of the head. Do the same thing on the right, directly above the right eye, curve in the opposite direction, in behind the head. Now we're going to add some fur going around the cheeks and then up underneath the teeth. So let's start on the left side. We're going to step up to create an overlap and draw a half circle going around. And let's do the same thing on the right side. Let's draw another set, curving out and then in. We're going to add a smaller one along the bottom. Now we're going to start to bring this in towards the teeth. And then finally, we're going to draw another curve coming up underneath the teeth. So let's start on the left, we're going to curve down, and then just pull that up. Now we're going to tuck the left arm underneath the left side of the face. So starting out here, we're going to draw a curve coming down, and then back up. Now we're going to move over towards the right and draw on the right arm. So starting out on the outside of this curve, we're going to come down to the same height. I'm just going to pull that up towards the side of the body, to right about there. Now let's add in the feet. Starting on the left side, we're going to move over to the left side of the foot, curve out and down on both sides. Now we're going to come up with a slight angle, and then we're going to curve down and in towards a center point. Let's do the same thing on the right side. Curve out the side of the foot, come up with a slight angle, and then we'll come down with a curve towards the center point. Now we're going to draw the lower part of the body in behind the right leg. So starting just down here, curve out, and I'm just going to bring that up to right about there. Now let's add that lower trim. We're going to step up, and curve across and taper towards the side of the body. Now we're going to move up, draw the top of the back coming down towards the hind leg. So let's start directly on top of the head, curve up, round out the back. I'm just gonna bring this down and then into right about there. I wanna round out the hind leg and come up underneath the body. Round it out and then just come up. Now we're gonna draw that same foot in the hind leg. So move over to the left, we're gonna curve out and then down. We'll do the same thing on the right. Now from the left side, we're gonna angle up and in with a short line. Now we're gonna curve down and in towards the center toe. Now the last thing we're gonna do is add the tail in the back. It's almost like 3 circles stacked in behind each other. So we start out here, start to draw that circle. I'm just gonna bring that in, leaving a gap on the inside. Then stack another one in behind. Starting at the top of this circle, curve up towards the top, pull that down and in, again leaving another gap. Now on the inside, we're just gonna curve all the way around and then in behind the body. And that's pretty much it. There we have it. There's Bidoof from Pokemon. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. Make sure you subscribe and send me your requests in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again soon.